before whose glorious ray our pagan fathers bent the knee, whose pillar altars yet can say, when time was young our sires were free, who ceased how fallen their offspring be. Our matrons' tears, our patriots' gore, we swear before high heaven and thee, the Saxon holds us slaves no more. Our sun burst on the Roman foe, flashed vengeance once in foreign field. On Clontarf's plain lay scathed low, what power the sea king's fears could wield. Bainbird might say, whose cloven shield neath bloody hoofs was trampled o'er, and by these memories high we yield our limbs to Saxon chains no more. Closher wild, whose trembling string had long the song of sorrow spoke, shall bid the wild Ross Catha sing the curse and crime of Saxon yoke. And by each heart his bondage broke, each exile sigh on distant shore, each martyr neath the headsman's stroke, the Saxon holds us slaves no more. War cry o'er the main, your sunburst to the breezes spread, that slogan rends the heaven in twain, the earth reels back beneath your tread. Ye Saxon despots hear and dread, your macho patriot hearts is o'er, that shout hath told, the tramp hath set, our country's sons are slain.